Managing login credentials for multiple clients can be a nightmare if you're not organized. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to manage login credentials efficiently and how to keep them secure and easily accessible when you need them. If you've tried some of the most popular software solutions for this, you know they can be clunky and not very user-friendly. But I've got something better for you today. Stick around and I'll give you an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using in this video, only available to my viewers. First off, let's talk about why this is so important. Managing login credentials across multiple clients involves keeping track of usernames, passwords, and security questions, and as you can imagine, it gets complicated fast. You need a solution that ensures all your credentials are safe and easy to access when needed. The simplest way to do this is by using a password manager. It allows you to store and manage login credentials for multiple clients, all in one secure place. No more jotting things down on sticky notes or trying to remember which password goes with which client. Now, the software we're using today is one of the most streamlined solutions available. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be able to organize all your credentials in folders. For each client, you can create a dedicated folder where you store all related login info. You can even add extra details, like security questions or any notes specific to that client, making it easier to find everything when you need it. Most password managers also come with a browser extension that lets you autofill login credentials directly from the software into your client's website. This saves you time and eliminates the risk of mistyping credentials. No more wasting time typing in passwords manually. It's all automated, but that's not all. The software we'll be using offers encrypted password sharing, which means you can securely share access to login credentials with other team members or clients. This makes collaboration super easy, while ensuring that your client's data is always protected. As for security, all your credentials are stored with end-to-end encryption, so only you and authorized users can access them. You can also enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection, making it nearly impossible for anyone else to break into your account. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the key points. First, using a password manager is the best way to securely store login credentials for multiple clients. Organizing credentials into folders will keep things neat and easy to access. Autofill and encrypted sharing features will save you time and ensure smooth collaboration. And of course, don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for maximum security. Key takeaway: managing login credentials doesn't have to be a hassle. With the right software, you can stay organized, save time, and keep your client's information secure. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. It's only available to my viewers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.